The FCC filings for the Mavic 4 Pro have generated significant buzz within the drone community, as these submissions often precede official product launches. Historically, DJI's timeline from FCC filing to market release has been relatively brief, suggesting that the Mavic 4 Pro may become available by the end of 2024 or early 2025, sparking widespread anticipation among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. DJI's strategic release timeline. Industry experts speculate that DJI may be expediting the release of the Mavic 4 series to mitigate potential trade complications with the US. By launching before the implementation of new tariffs or regulations, DJI could avoid substantial cost increases and delays, ensuring a competitive edge in the global drone market. Decoding the FCC filings. Unveiling the Mavic 4 Pro's battery specifications. The FCC filings have revealed two mysterious models, codenamed L3A and L3B, whose exact differences remain unclear. However, a closer examination of the filings has yielded valuable insights into the battery specifications of the Mavic 4 Pro. This powerhouse drone will be fueled by a high-capacity 95.3 Wh battery, boasting a 6,654 mAh capacity. This significant upgrade over the Mavic 3's 90.4 Wh battery promises enhanced flight times and overall performance, further solidifying DJI's position at the forefront of drone innovation. The Mavic 4 series' profound impact. The prospective features of the Mavic 4 series hold profound implications for the drone industry, poised to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography, videography, and mapping applications. The integration of professional-grade features, including RTK support and high-capacity storage, positions the Mavic 4 as a formidable contender in the commercial drone market. Revolutionizing visual storytelling. The 14-stop dynamic range sensor. The Mavic 4's 14-stop dynamic range sensor is a groundbreaking innovation, empowering content creators to capture stunning visuals with unprecedented depth and nuance. By preserving intricate details in both shadows and highlights, this sensor will enable the production of breathtaking aerial footage, previously unattainable with consumer-grade drones. This technological leap forward will undoubtedly elevate the art of aerial storytelling, inspiring a new wave of creative possibilities. Weighing the value of the Mavic 4 series' advanced features. The incorporation of cutting-edge features in the Mavic 4 series comes with a notable caveat: a substantial increase in pricing. This premium pricing strategy is likely to position the Mavic 4 series as a high-end offering, potentially pricing out some enthusiasts and hobbyists who have grown accustomed to the more affordable predecessors. A value proposition in question. As the drone community eagerly awaits the official release, a lingering question remains. Will the added capabilities and features of the Mavic 4 series justify the significant price hike? Only time will tell if the premium pricing will be vindicated by the drone's performance, or if it will prove to be a barrier to adoption for all but the most dedicated professionals and enthusiasts. The DJI Mavic 4 series' transformative impact. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 and Mavic 4 Pro are on the cusp of revolutionizing the drone industry, poised to forever alter the landscape of aerial photography, videography, and professional applications. These groundbreaking drones boast an impressive array of cutting-edge features, carefully crafted to empower users with unparalleled creative control, precision, and efficiency. A new paradigm in aerial excellence. As the Mavic 4 series prepares to take flight, it's clear that these drones will establish a new benchmark for excellence in the industry. By harnessing the power of innovation, DJI is poised to democratize access to professional-grade aerial capabilities, inspiring a new wave of creativity, productivity, and discovery among drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ongoing coverage and expert insights. As the anticipation builds and the official launch of the DJI Mavic 4 series draws near, it's evident that DJI is relentlessly pushing the frontiers of drone technology. This pioneering spirit is poised to redefine the industry, empowering users with unprecedented creative control, precision, and efficiency. Comprehensive coverage and expert analysis, your trusted source. At Technology in the Future, we're committed to providing you with timely updates, in-depth analysis, and expert insights as we navigate the countdown end to the Mavic 4 series official release. Stay tuned for exclusive coverage, featuring detailed examinations of the drone's features, capabilities, and potential applications, ensuring you're always informed and up to date on the latest developments in drone technology.